I go. Good morning, Fanny.
Yeah, morning.
Abo me.
Bakon house.
Nyame adom no mpae.
I'm friend pan mo. Adom TV.
Adom TV say adequate. We are on time.
You are very fast.
And with the you didn't share free. Adom TV ne bro.
Yeah.
Na po me.
Boko, do you want some Verado?
Thank you. We dem me adwuma nyana me no. Thank you. E dey mo akwa ba free London. It is so free. O free London ba en check.
Oh yeah, you know.
Hey, you akunye dey nyake to o flexi.
Oh, I don't flex.
Fantastic. Na London to say.
Oh, London Boko.
Say about me enter London bro for kakra me.
No, you good name. Is the family Ghana miss you fam and I blood.
Are you alright fam?
Cause
that's
what I'm saying.
Na London to say.
Yeah, Boko, London Boko, you know, as usual, just balling.
So na London no koye den. London no koye den ko event bi na say.
What do you mean London no koye den? Look at this interviewer.
Oko vacation na. Okay, on Facebook like say it's your 7th time in London.
Oh yeah. I just want to relax and do some work. Just 1-2 work. Because I'm this Ghana, so I need to come back and do cow and chicken, you know what they do.
Okay, that's nice. But you now kiss project what you saying?
Which of them? I have different ones. I have the festival that I do. I have the pack that I want to build for them, which is the Funny World. I have one that I'm creating where they will come just relax with me in the house, like just every time the kids will come to my house and chill with me.
But so about Funny World, no. A replica of them. Example here worldwide. The example that we tell them.
Funny World. The concept is like Disneyland. Yeah, basically. And I feel that I'm not doing kakra here. Make sure I'm bit my boamia and where God will take me for me to build a park for kids where they can go and play, have fun, relax, and even if I'm dead and gone, the kids will be happy. And you know, they can even come and urinate on my tomb.
Okay.
He says, Uncle Fanny Face is lying there, I'm going to urinate on him. He gave us a pack. Yeah.
Wonderful enough. Now, in the whole London, you call London, you say, crowd, so many recreational centers.
Yeah.
But Ghana, I'm saying, even a crabini, I'm saying, if you're not motivated to have to be a man, crano.
Most definitely.
Okay.
Basically, that's the idea behind this whole thing. Just want to give the kids a place where they can go and play. And once being the children's president, of course, as a president, you need to do something for kids. Yeah. So, but this December, I have massive things planned for them.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm working in connection with Verado.
Yeah,
Verado. Coming to do something massive for kids.
Before we get to that, Yenka Santi, and no, Funny World, no, how far have you gotten? Funny World, Drusa.
I have the land already.
Oh, you have the land already?
Yeah, it's a big land, 32 plots.
32 plots.
Yeah,
that's huge.
You know, I like big things.
Oh yeah, I saw you in part one. The range and then everything. The last, a big house. Chibi Kakrana way exclusive. I don't think people have been outside the way.
You know, you can see. Yeah, see, I like big things naturally.
Yeah, naturally, big things.
Yeah, naturally, I like big things. Yeah, I'm a big. Yeah. I'm a big things.
Yeah, we a visionary.
Show you something.
Yeah.
There's no need to have this huge car. You know what I'm saying? But yet still, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I like big things.
Yeah, I know you do.
You know what I'm saying?
I get your point.
Yeah, you could see. Okay, let me show you there. You see where the electric pole is. Children come and play there.
Okay. Have fun.
Yeah.
With the children's president.
Yeah. I could see that some people are asking you questions there. Am I not wearing?
So Omo Busame will have one me a J could say, I don't want your t-shirt.
If you are in your house, I mean, my house, can't I choose to do what I want?
You can do whatever you like.
Come and wear me shirt. Of course, I'm basically almost in towel. I like wearing towel a lot.
Is it a trademark? Is it something you're building?
The towel. I like towel a lot because the truth is, as a man, you need to feel free. You need to let everything loose.
Airy, open from man.
And let things feel free.
Okay.
And I'm in the mood.
You are in the mood for?
Okay.
Mood for?
Oh, to dance.
To dance. Are you sure? Go Fanny. Now Obi Busa says Samano, but I'm saying you're not in the mood to dance.
And me myself, when he called me to do the interview, you know the relation between Abim TV and Fanny Face,
yeah.
So automatically I agreed because I was just in the house. So when he just called, I said, why not? Let me just
for the love of Ghanaians.
For the love of Ghanaians.
Okay. Fanny Obi, your friend man be Owusuta Frederick. Also a very nice landscape for your Fanny what you're linking up. My Fanny didn't want to say. The people are supporting. Okay.
Thank you. God bless.
For Andy the Brown Moleme or say children's president, you do all you blast.
You do all.
Okay, back to December. No, December, what's up for the kids? What's the project for December?
This December, I'm planning something with Verado. I'm planning to tour almost like 100 schools.
Okay.
I'm gonna give them goodies.
Okay, goodies. Okay.
Yeah. Because I, for one, I started doing kids project from 2011. My first kids show, Fanny Face Fan Festival, I recorded almost 40,000-50,000 kids.
Wow.
Yeah, and ever since the number has never dropped. My least show attended is 25,000 kids. Yeah, that's to God be the glory. So you can see, automatically when you do this, God's favor. One, you give God the glory because He gave you the favor. Straight up. Because people do kids shows. They don't sound like yours. Yeah. So you should know that it's God's favor. You understand? Okay.
Haj Sufi, also of Fanny Face, you are one blessed guy watching live from Napoli, Italy. Oh, nice.
Oh, look after you.
Yeah. Rashova, I'll say I love kids, so I'm happy you do too. Okay. And Robert K. TC, you say, how can we help in finding you some support? Also, so boawa, kind of us for the funny word, no.
Okay, so I can put a number there.
Okay, but you want to put a number there?
Yeah, I can put a number there. Maybe.
Okay, music doctor or say DJ Hot or say, wow, I know this man personally. I can boldly say he's so humble.
Thank you.
Man.
God bless you.
Okay, inti pacho number ben on mana it would better. It is you opeti Kenneth Ali Sugar. It is you opeti.
Me pena maybe I'm benyami every time.
Okay, inti.
Then I have a dream.
Inti over pen number na that. Okay.
No, me per correct number.
Go into in later on and
then. So probably you can edit and put it there. But I could just give this number out back.
Okay. But Prince Taylor was funny. Let's link up and come to Germany for the Ghanaian children here. Your friend Prince Taylor and you link Prince Taylor and say, we call Germany and say, up close with the children in Germany here and so on.
Because it's Children President International. So basically we going that far.
Okay, that's good. Bernard Villamo say, I would like you to visit Philip Kwe Boys School. Is the first school in Ghana as part of the school you will visit in December. In the event of Philip and so Philip School and so down. Fanny, you trophies be right. Take care around here. What was ne? What trophies not Ghana? Who say? You have come far. It is a make or break.
It's a make or break.
I make it's a make or break.
Okay, so this one, it's most popular entertainer of Ghana. This is most popular.
And then
most popular entertainer of Ghana. 2010.
Yeah.
You can see here, no, I say Fanny Face.
Yeah.
Most entertaining comedy personality 2010. Most popular entertainer of Ghana.
The whole of Ghana 2010. And we see much. That's 7 years ago. Easy. Glory be to God. Pacho, you share a picture here.
This one is my mom.
You and sweet mom. Oh, my Ghana for whom I know whom I made that live on Adult TV exclusive.
Oh, internet this one.
Nice. Now, high school most beautiful 2017 citation.
High school most beautiful. I say you have walked miles of greatness. I say you have walked miles of greatness, and we acknowledge you for standing out. Thank you for sacrificing your sweat in making the Ghanaian entertainment industry beautiful. Your unique craft is loved and highly appreciated beyond measure. Congratulations, you are the high school most beautiful, most influential icon 2017.
Serious. Yeah. Good for you. Fanny, London is missing you already. Certificate of recognition way.
And we are chiropractic and wellness center.
And on mass,
certificate of recognition is awarded to Fanny Face for his significant contribution and dedicated service for the people of Ghana.
Oh, nice.
Dr. Marcus.
Yeah. Wow, nice. Me who pencil at in so paper.
Thank you.
Now for Embra awards with trophies hey.
Okay.
In part one.
I don't normally open this, but for the love
of Adom TV, you will do it.
For you,
yes.
This one.
This one is online.
This one is Despite Special Group of Companies, Fan Game 2017.
Wow.
Best player.
Oh, yeah, best player. Next, so also athletic,
me athletic, but then I'm winning. Me player.
Who player? Okay.
Players no winning best player. So
nice,
the manager get to keep it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you are the manager of the team.
Yeah. We had TV local series of the year 2016. Okay. Cow and chicken.
Cow and chicken.
RTP hours. Yeah.
Okay, RTP.
Yeah. Cow and chicken. We see Stars Soccer Fiesta 2015. We winning Golden Boot.
Oh wow!
We share 7 goals.
We share 7 goals in the tournament. Oh yeah. Wow!
We see Best Actor TV Series. Ghana
Movie Awards.
Best Actor TV Series 2015.
Wow, nice.
And now we gold label
reserve
ones. Well, this was given to me by a special friend.
Oh wow.
My friend
Stigo, nice one.
This is a TV.
It's a TV.
It's a TV I've putting on. This one is Kumawood Awards 2012.
Okay.
Most favorite TV personality. Funny face, Chimu Choco Trotro.
Wow.
Yeah. We see Kids Choice Awards.
Okay.
Kids Choice Awards. Funny face, favorite comedian, the Kids Choice Award.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
We see Coben Movie Awards 2011. Most favorite TV personality, male, funny face.
Okay.
We see Kids Choice Awards. Best TV series, Cow and Chicken.
Wow.
Yeah, favorite TV series. Where's we skills?
Skills. One way you skills.
Yes, settings.
Oh, nice. Is it? I was the watch do na.
Oh, nyamia dum kakra.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, sorry. God Lord, Wizu, the Kobo tournament bina.
Oh, medal. Nice.
We see Ghana Movie Awards. We are 2012.
12, okay.
Best Actor.
Okay.
TV
Wow.
series.
Wow. Nice.
We see Ghana Movie Awards. Best Actor, TV series, and favorite personality. Yeah.
Wow.
We see Cam Awards 2013. Funny Face, Choco Trotro, Best Actor, Comedy TV Series.
Wow. Say, Ghana from awards bar.
We say Yakobo and Pan African Wavy Peace Cup 2012. Peace Cup, yeah. Pan African Yakobo Liberia.
Good medal. That's nice.
So basically, no. Where's your sofa?
And the transfer was so funny. Transfer.
Yeah.
So that was we also.
Yeah, no,
yeah, that was okay. Very nice. It's funny, Pacho. Oh, yeah, kiss president.
I never
know this. You haven't said, my man. From my hand, but I don't say now, pa.
No, I like Verado. Yeah, I like Verado. It's but they show it on the channel.
Yeah, on Adom TV. Verado. Now, yeah. You can get both.
Yeah.
That's nice. Ask his president, but that's my message to Ukraine.
Okay. I just want to tell every kid who is out there, who is thinking life is not being fair, who thinks maybe he or she can make it in life. I'm telling you, this is the story of Fanny Face. From nowhere, God placed my feet on higher grounds. So I don't know what you're going through. You can be bigger, way bigger than Fanny Face. You have no idea where when you stretch your hands, when God puts his favor on you, where it's gonna take you. Keep believing. Never let the spirit down. Never let the hope go. Keep believing. God got your back.
And we say, could you try? I'll say, I have your pencil sketch of you. Where can I find you?
My house is at Millennium City. When you get to Millennium City, so ask anybody you're looking for Fanny Face house. They show you. You come and meet me, my dogs, and my guns. We are very friendly.
But you're good musically. Music career is a cause saying. Never been so one you. What they want you say, Makuma say.
Oh, no one Makuma say, Simon, Makuma 12. But do dona nyansan do dona M1 na namebo. Na cash to mami 2 nyansan 2. Many bisa wonyum, many cash to wonyum, many more artists, many Sean Paul and Beyonce.
That's one.
In my mind for now.
And you better reality. My reality. Okay. The Fanny Face, I don't see better was a partner multimedia group limited. Say, you better open on Ubi. Now my aqua may real feel come no me who I was in Ghana for winning that was about continue being the children's president now. You're doing a great job. Thank you very much. Bye bye Ghana for now.
Bye bye Ghana, and without you there, you know me. Thank you for the support. And like what somebody said, they want to support the kids project I'm doing, the Fanny Face Fan Festival. You wanna do the be part of the pack, like the Funny World 32-week plots that we wanna do children's park, basically something like Disney for kids in Ghana. That's the dream. We have the land, we are constructing the world. It's not easy. My brother, my people need to the pressure from the world is not as much. You understand? So basically, if you wanna be part and you wanna get this dream going, why not? You can call me on 0244 812 335.
But your sexy number to you. The number is
0244 812 335.
Maybe someone is calling from outside Ghana, so it's +233.
Yeah, +233 244 812 335.
Again, plus.
Or 00233 244 812 335. But you put it in the caption, innit?
Yeah, I put it there.
Yeah.
Okay, they can follow your social media handles. Just put it there.
On social media, on my social media handle, let's say Instagram, at the raw Fanny Face, the raw one here, with 614,000 followers, and then the raw, that's my raw page. People have fake ones as well there, but the raw one is at the raw Fanny Face with 614,000 followers, and the raw one. Facebook, then is a Fanny Face, and they are verified, and they are 1.5 million followers, and this way, and every raw one. Twitter so here at Fanny Face GH, and this way 800,000 followers, over 800,000 followers at Fanny Face GH over Twitter. And Snapchat here at Fanny Face GH1, at Fanny Face GH1, in one word at Fanny Face GH1, and also Snapchat, and my face so there is open to everybody. Or the girls, when you are less busy, come. I'll give you 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
No time. I don't have time, my brother.
Okay, so Fanny, thank you very much, Fanny Face. It's been a pleasure. Bye-bye.